Thanks for joining us once again. Today we're bringing you the restoration of a bathroom. This was part of a hoarding cleanup. Well, it's actually a hoarding cleanup. It was a neglected property. Nobody have lived in this property for a very long time. So we got a phone call, come in and please make it ready for people to move in. It was extremely filthy. So the first thing we did was make sure that we took all the plastic off. We scraped off the tiles because there was a lot of residue on it. There was a lot of sticky stuff, as you can see in the corner. So we took all that stuff off, and then I started steam cleaning it. Steam cleaning it to make sure that all the tiles were deeply cleaned, right? So we use our drill brush first, and then after we, thoroughly got into all the holes and everything, we steam cleaned to make sure that it got a good thorough cleaning and also sanitizing, because what we were trying to do is we were trying to remove the odor in the room and also make it look pleasant. So we were trying to do three things at one time: deep clean, sanitize, remove the odor, and I'm sorry, four things, and make it look pleasant. So this is the process, and it took us a while. Cleaning this bathroom alone took probably about 3 hours. It was extremely filthy. Just cleaning the sink. We used our own cleaning products, so we make sure that what we use is it's naturally made with all natural substances, and everything is nicely done. So it's what you be doing. Sprayed on it, um, steam clean everything, so it looks great. What do you think? Do you think this looks good? Will you recommend this for your family member? So also, this was done for an older couple that moved out and they were moving back in. So it's been sitting for a while. Nobody was living in this property. So that's why it looks really that bad. And as you can see, we got the tiles looking very great. On the bottom, see how this is. So this is what it was before we started cleaning. And then here we are. You can see the results from the steam cleaning. Tiles are sparkling. The dirt is gone, right? So this is what we're doing. If you like it, please share it. We provide services in Brooklyn, Queens, and Manhattan. If the house needs a very good thorough cleaning, we the company to call. So after doing all this, you can see we cleaned everything nicely, and this is how it looks after it's been done. If you like it, this is our information. Give us a call. We are ready for you. Thank you. Bye.